Hi, to set up Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we need to open Settings and here scroll till we could find Security and Privacy tab. After that, go in Lock Screen, and now before adding Face Unlock we'll need to set Screen Lock first. So let's select it, and now we gotta choose either we want to use PIN code, password or pattern. So I'm gonna choose pattern. Just draw it and now confirm by drawing it again. And after that, we can just tap done button here, and then we can select our screen lock as we did before, and if we go in biometrics we would see face. So we need to enable it first by tapping on the switcher, and after that just tap continue. And now you just need to put your face in this frame till the circle will be completed with green line. And now face is registered, so you can enable or disable some of the features as stay on lock screen until swipe, require open eyes, brighten screen, and that's it. Let's tap done and try this out. I'm gonna lock my phone and now try to unlock it with the help of Face ID. And yep, it's working. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.